Today I'll be replacing my side mirrors on my 2015 F-150 with these aftermarket telescoping tow mirrors. I'll show you the step-by-step installation of these tow mirrors, where I bought these tow mirrors, and we'll take a look at my truck before and after. I'm upgrading my side mirrors to tow mirrors today because I really want tow mirrors and my mirror's broken. Before you even order side mirrors for your truck, you're going to want to determine which wiring harness it has and how many pins are inside that harness. Behind this trim piece, you're going to find the wiring harness and the mounting hardware for the mirror. There's just a few pressure clips holding this trim piece on. Here we have our mounting bolts and our wiring harness. My truck is a 2015 F-150 XLT. It uses the 8-pin connector. These mirrors are good for model years 2015 through 2020. There are only 4 10mm nuts holding this mirror on. There's 2 here and then there's 2 back there. There's also a post and an ear clip on the back of the mirror. After I install the new tow mirrors, I'll show you the perspective from inside the truck looking out, where I purchased them, and how much I paid. It's that easy. These particular tow mirrors come with a wiring harness that pops right into place. That allows our 8-pin connector to go into our factory harness. These mirrors have the same pattern as the OEM mirrors. Let's bolt it up. I want to make sure I don't over tighten these. These tow mirrors come with a wiring diagram and some extra wires. This way you could access some of the extra features for the 22-pin plug. Before I put my panel on, I'm going to test my lights. Lights are working. Let's test the motor. Side to side, up and down. The spot mirror adjusts as well. That's going to come in handy. Here's a little size comparison from the old to the new. Nice! These tow mirrors telescope in and they telescope out. They bend forward and they bend backwards too. And here's the perspective from inside the truck. That mirror is huge. Spot mirror doing a good job of showing what's back there behind the tire. Let's check out the passenger side. And wow, same thing. That's a nice big mirror. Spot mirror is doing its job. I really like these. Before I show you the before and after, let's talk about price. I bought these tow mirrors on Amazon for $235 at the time of making this video. I bought these tow mirrors for the price, but I also bought them for the 4.5-star rating. The main complaint with these was that they weren't that sturdy. I don't see that at all. These things seem very sturdy to me. I'll leave an affiliate link in the description below. I'll also leave a link for these floor liners that I bought almost 3 years ago. These things still look great. I got passenger, driver, and back seat for under 120 bucks. Are these tow mirrors an improvement over the OEM factory mirrors? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Be sure to check out this video for some radiator work that we did on Fred Jr.'s 1977 Trans Am. I'm glad you watched, and I hope you'll watch again.